Wild mustard, or Sinapis alba, often overlooked as a simple wayside weed, is a plant with deep historical roots and substantial medicinal benefits. Commonly known as white mustard, it has been cultivated as a spice, a green, and a healing herb for centuries. Growth and habitat: Sinapis alba thrives across various environments, from cultivated fields to waste spaces and roadsides. It prefers well-drained, fertile soils and is commonly found in temperate regions across Europe, North America, and parts of Asia. Its ability to grow rapidly and withstand different climates makes it a resilient plant in the wild. Identification: wild mustard can be identified by its bright yellow flowers and hairy stem. The plant typically reaches up to 2 feet in height. Its leaves are broad and can be either lobed or unlobed, while the seeds are small, round, and encapsulated within pod-like structures that form when the flowers mature. Edible uses and parts: almost every part of the wild mustard plant is edible. The leaves can be consumed raw in salads or cooked like spinach, offering a peppery flavor. The seeds are used to make mustard paste or powder. The flowers, too, are edible and can add a spicy kick to salads. Medicinal parts and uses. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any illness, ailment, or disease. Respiratory ailments. Wild mustard has traditionally been used to treat respiratory conditions like pneumonia and bronchitis. Mustard plasters, created by mixing ground mustard seeds with flour and water to form a paste, are applied externally to the chest to help break up congestion. Digestive health. The seeds of wild mustard are believed to stimulate digestion and can be used as an emetic to induce vomiting in cases of poison ingestion. Antimicrobial properties. The seeds contain compounds that may prevent infections by inhibiting microbial growth, making it a useful prophylactic for cuts and scrapes. Cancer prevention. Research suggests that wild mustard contains antioxidants that may help prevent certain types of cancer, though more studies are needed to fully understand this capability. Arthritis. The anti-inflammatory properties of mustard are beneficial in treating symptoms of arthritis, reducing swelling and pain. Sore throats. Gargling with a tea made from wild mustard seeds can relieve sore throats due to its warm, irritant nature. Chilblains. To treat chilblains, inflammation of small blood vessels in response to cold but not freezing air, a poultice made from mustard seeds can improve circulation and reduce itching and swelling. How to harvest. Wild mustard is best harvested when the flowers are in bloom for optimal flavor and medicinal properties. Leaves should be picked before the plant flowers for the best taste. Seeds must be collected after the flowers have dried, typically at the end of the growing season. Cautions: consumption of wild mustard should be done in moderation, as the seeds and leaves can be very potent and may irritate the digestive tract or skin. It is not recommended for pregnant women or individuals with gastrointestinal ulcers. Sinapis alba, or wild mustard, is more than just a common weed. With its diverse culinary uses and a broad spectrum of medicinal benefits, it is a valuable addition to both the kitchen and the natural medicine cabinet. Its easy accessibility and simple cultivation make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to harness the benefits of wild plants. Whether used to clear up respiratory congestion or to spice up a meal, wild mustard remains a powerful and versatile plant in the realm of natural health and cuisine.